Whoa! Today we are unboxing the new Paw Patrol Snow Boots to get ready for the winter. But first, Asher has to find the Paw Patrol figures all around the park. Are you ready to find the Paw Patrol figures?
Yeah!
But first, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.
Woo!
Whoa! Are you ready to find the Paw Patrol?
Yeah!
All right, let's get it.
Whee! I see Robo!
Where?
Over there!
Where? Oh, let me see. Ooh, you found Robbo. Oh my God, put him in the bag.
I see Rocky!
I think there's more over here.
Oh!
Go up there. Put the bucket down and go up there.
Duh.
What do you see?
Sky!
Whoa, where?
Over there!
Let me see. Ooh, sky. Go down the slide.
Where should we go?
Yeah, go try that one. Yeah. All right, put Sky with Bravo.
To Bravo!
Yes. All right, pick up the bag. And let's go, I think Everest is next. Go over there.
Everest over there!
Ooh, is that Everest?
Yeah, what are you doing, Everest? What are you doing?
Whoa, Everest. Let me see. Everest. Whoa. Oh, and I think I see Rocky.
I see her! Oops. Oopsie.
Go through there.
I found Rocky.
Let me
right
see.
Here.
Ooh, Rocky right there. Let me see.
I found turtle.
Pick him up. Yeah. We got Rocky. Put him in the bag. All right, bring the bag. It's kind of heavy. I think there's more up here.
I see Marshall up there. Marshall!
Ooh, and I think also Suma is up there.
Super cat.
Who's that?
Selma Orange!
Whoa, Suma. Nice. And who else is up here?
Marshall!
Ooh, Marshall. Pick him up. Ooh. Yeah, you got two. You got Marshall and you got Suma up here.
Yeah, I got Zuma and Marshall.
You gonna throw him down the slide?
Yeah.
Whoa, go down the slide. Yeah.
That was so much fun.
Yeah, put him in the bag. Oh, we're missing one more. Who is it? All right, put the bag down and go get Chase.
It's a swing. He's on the swing.
He's on the swing. Let me see. Ooh, Chase. We got them all. Put them in the bag. Oh, and you have all the Paw Patrol. Let's get the big box with the big surprise. Let's go.
Okay. Super fast. Wow!
Whoa, what do you find?
The Paw Patrol boots.
Whoa, the Paw Patrol boots, the big surprise. Whoa. Pick it up. Let me see.
Yeah!
Yeah! Whoa! We have the Paw Patrol boots.
The one chasing the road.
Ooh, turn them on. Jump again, let me see.
Let me jump.
Whoa, they turn on. So cool.
Let me jump again.
Jump. Jump. Whoa, they turn on. That's so cool. Whoa, you like the Paw Patrol boots?
Yeah.
Whoa. We love those Paw Patrol boots.
And we love the Paw Patrol candy.
Light them up. Let me see. Whoa. Turn them on. Yeah, look at those. Turn them on.
The lights up on the dark.
They light up?
Yeah.
Do it again.
Oh, that's a big one.
Do it again. See. Ooh, jump.
I'm gonna jump again.
Go. Let's see. Whoa. Do it again. Do it again. Those are like the chase sirens.
Yeah. The chase is on sirens, and he's inside the truck.
Let's see. Jump again. Let's see. Whoa, so cool. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Subscribe to Asher's channel for more fun learning videos.